first look at Botany Bay post Hurricane Irma. Few people out here. We see here just piles of broken trees that were uplifted, and now they are just piled up and will probably just be left here. That's the beauty of Botany Bay, is it's very natural, untouched by the hands of man, for the most part. It's low tide, that's the only time you can come to Botany Bay now. High tide, there's not much of a beach to walk on, and the walk at low tide is pretty spacious. See how wide it is. There used to be a lot of trees here that you would have to go around, and could be kind of treacherous to walk through, especially if the tide was up. But many dozens of those trees have been lost thanks to Hurricane Irma, or Tropical Storm Irma if you want to be technical about it, here in this area when it struck.